Grade 9 Mathematics Algebraic Expressions. What is an identity? Shazar the dragon is going to help us. Now Shazar loves finding new rules and ideas by looking at patterns. And she's going to help us with that today. An identity is a statement like 2 times the bracket, and that is 2x plus 6. And this is true for all values of x. So this is called an identity. This means x can be negative 3, and if x is there, negative 3, the left-hand side will be equal to the right-hand side. So x can be any number, and then the left-hand side will be equal to the right-hand side. Let's begin with the end in mind. It's good to pause the video now and to try to do these 2 questions, question A and B. And then after this series of lessons, you will realize that there's a shorter, more effective way of doing it. We are going to learn how factorization can save you time. Let us explore. Let x be negative 1. So the question is x squared minus 9 equal to x minus 3 times x plus 3? So is this an identity? In other words, for all the values of x, will the left be equal to the right? Note the left side is a binomial. It consists of 2 terms, while the right-hand side is a monomial. It consists of 1 term. Well, if x is negative 1, we'll see that this is 1 minus 9, and that is negative 8. If x is negative 1 on the right side, it also is negative 8, which means the left is equal to the right side. And we can choose any value for x, and the left-hand side will always be equal to the right-hand side. So this is an identity. Excellent, Shazar. Is this an identity? Do you want to pause the video and test for yourself? Perfect. So if you substitute 2 for x on the left side, you'll see it is 0. If you substitute 2 for x on the right side, you will see it is also 0, which means that this equation is also an identity. What about this one? Pause the video and try for yourself. Is this an identity? Well, if x is negative 2, this means it's 4 minus 8 plus 3. And 4 minus 8 is negative 4 plus 3 is negative 1. What about the right-hand side? This will be 1, and negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1. And this will also be negative 1. So you are correct. This equation is an identity.